Morning. So, time check, it is almost 11. Almost 10. And 9:48. Are headed sa airport. Ano yung building this day yan? Sa yung activity tapos itong Grab na ride.
Last kay cancel. Naka-smart ako, babe.
Oo.
Hello. Wala mong nagka-office. Pag-email na gani sana ako kung may available kung ano ba to screen time na yung sa phone na lang muna ka para ma-verify. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, pag kailangan ma-set up na yan prior na makapunta sa Manila. Okay.
So we are now here at NAIA Terminal 3. So naglinya na lang si Alma. So our boarding time is 11:40. I don't know if we still have time to eat, but mag 11 pa lang man. So himala, medyo on time hopefully nasa rocks. Okay, so boarding time is 11:40. Our pick-up siguro is nasa mga 12, and we'll arrive in Jensen at around 2:40, I think. So hopefully no delays, because we still have a lot of work to do, a lot of preparations, because it's December 23. So ano, guys, time check sa tabi, 11:04. Boarding is at 11:40, on time daw, pero wala pa gate. So magkaon sa amin here sa Cozy Kitchen by Pure Foods. Time check 12:10, and we are now inside the plane. So 2 hours.
Nasa likod naman kami.
So expected arrival in Jensen is around 2. See you then. Still. So touchdown. Maybe 2:45. Nabili siya carousel. Saan na sila? Saan sila? Nauna sila?
Pasok ha? Kala ko.
Ay, gago. Okay, ang direction ng ano pala, oh.
Basta hindi lang China. Diba ito? Oh, kalaki. Kado yan. Saan? Ito.
Up guys, so nasundo namin ni Jay.
Sa ano? Pinagkatrabaho? Wala kayo. Nagtambay lang kayo.
Doon namin sa balay, touchdown Jensen. So,
Yung mabango mamoy
What?
din kayo. Ang uwi ka pa.
it's 3:24.
Ay, bango.
So,
Gago, hindi.
Paano
Yan
eh?
pa yan. Oh, yung ano ba? Ayun.
heading home.
Ay, ito. Bago ay, ano na talaga siya, Jay. May mga kulangs pa. May kulangs. May kulang pa kasi na parts.
So, siguro, I don't know, maybe dinner and chill.